Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in this video I'm going to be doing a birthday photo shoot. So a week from today I turned 21 on the 22nd of October, and I'm super excited. And last year I did some cute little classy pictures, but this year I'm doing some sultry, sophisticated photos. So that's what I'm about to get ready for. Obviously this is the before. I need to get glammed. I'm gonna be doing hair, makeup, nails. I have a really cute all black outfit that I'm gonna put on really soon. So yeah, if you want to see how the whole look comes out, definitely keep on watching. I've been planning it for over a month now, and I'm really excited to see how this whole vision comes together. So yeah, but first I'm gonna work on this hair. I'm gonna show y'all clips here and there of me doing my hair, makeup, and everything, but nothing too detailed, just because I want to keep this video nice and short, and I don't want the stress of having to record everything. So that's why I'm adding clips here and there, but don't worry, you're gonna get the full vision and process of how I'm getting ready for this photo shoot. So yeah, definitely subscribe, thumbs up for more content like this, and stay tuned. I am ready to take my pictures. I accessorized the braid, as you can see. This is what my makeup is looking like. I went a little overboard, but it's my birthday photo shoot, so I make the rules. And this is my outfit. Hold on. So, and this is what my outfit is looking like. I'm wearing this slip skirt with this off the shoulder top, and it has this crisscross design that I made with the string, because it came with a string to do the crisscross. So that's what I did. And yeah, so my photo shoot area is this way. I'm about to show y'all right now. So this is where I am going to do my pictures. I got this sheet on Amazon, and I got the idea to do this type of shoot by Nia Bia, and her pictures came out so cute. So I was like, this is gonna be so bomb, hence why I put blue and blue and black was my theme. I have my lights here. I have this little reflector DIY project that I made. And yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking my pictures and everything, and I'll let y'all watch me for a little bit while I take some of them. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I want to take some of my camera, so I might switch to my phone to record, but we'll see. I actually meant to wear more jewelry than this, like, but this is all I have. I left all my jewelry at school, so I did not have the silver accessories that I planned to wear, so I just improvised with these black earrings and this gold bracelet. I put on this silver string because that's what my original plan was, and I really wanted the silver string, but I didn't have any bracelet, and I feel like I needed something on my arm, so that's why I put the gold. But I think that this look came out pretty cute. Oh, and I did not put on nails, as you can see, because I left those at school too, which I'm really upset about because that was the main like focus that I was basing all of my colors off of, but it's alright. We're gonna make do what it do. The pictures hopefully are still gonna come out so bomb, so yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so I just tried taking some pictures on my camera, and I don't like them. I don't like how I can't set it up right because I'm trying to put my camera sideways on my ring light, and the mount isn't made for that, so it's not working. And also, I don't have a remote to this camera to take photos, and I keep having to use either the timer, which I don't like, I never usually use a timer, or I have to try to use the app that I have on my phone to be my remote, but I don't like that either because the photo on my camera lags when it's on my phone screen. So I think I'm gonna transfer to my phone. Hopefully they come out cute, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a couple clips of me doing my little photo shoot with my phone now that I'm not using my camera. So yeah. It's a wrap, y'all. Right now it is 7:34 a.m. I'm not lying, I'm about to show you right now. Y'all, look at the time, 7:35. So you already know your girl is tired. I'm ready to wash my face, wrap my hair, and go to bed. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions about the photo shoot, what I used, and everything like that. I'm really happy about how this photo shoot turned out. There was a little mishaps and mishaps here and there. I wish I had nails. I wish I had my jewelry, but we made it do what it do. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below as well. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.